Saturday, November 18th, and we are in Murfreesboro, Tennessee at the IPMS Middle Tennessee Model Contest. This video is all about the miscellaneous stuff that was entered. Gundams, ships, watercraft, figures, bus. If you want to see the automotive, that's on a separate video. You want to see the military, that's on a separate video. And all the aircraft is on a separate video too. We got 4 vids for this show. In the meantime, let's check out all the miscellaneous stuff in this video.
Don't you have a video show? Throttle Power? Oh, man. You go everywhere. Love your stuff.
Thank you.
Yeah. You and Matthew.
Yeah.
I'm checking y'all out all the time.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Matthew's a good guy.
Yeah, he is. He is. He was at Acme. Because he's in Georgia and he's going up and down the east.
I just saw what he was saying.
By the way, I'm Steve Gatch.
Oh, nice to meet you, Steve. I'm Tim.
Okay.
Did you bring anything?
Nah.
No? That's all right. What do you like to build? Okay.
That's the reason why I like your show. You go to a hot rod show. I get all kind of ideas.
Yeah.
So keep it up. Good to meet you, Tim.
Thank you, you too.
Okay, we're making our way.
I wish I could know how much battery it Oh, okay. Yeah, I was going to say the trick I learned is you can drop them about 6 inches, and if they bounce, they're low, and if they just fall, you still have to high.
Lithium rechargeable for that.
What is your Instagram? Because I probably lost it. It's Neon Genesis. And just a bunch of underscores mixed in there. I'll pull it up for you. I found it on
New Spider doesn't.
I thought New Spider not
New Spider has the light. Maybe I've seen New Spider.
New Spider. Has the whole
It's some kind of like a radar tree or something. There's a whole bunch of launchers on the bottom of the cap.
a lot of like the
Again, it's like cheap 250 for 5. Okay.
Or 256. Yeah. Or T69. T69.
They can always spin the base around.
Chinese turtle.
It was fun. I think that's probably like one of the most unique things. Well, the story
These guys are
in my head, and I was reading about some random location in the middle of the U.S. near the marshes. So I figured this is a marsh between that and a raider rig. Yeah. Pop marks and that. Mud splash bags from the canyon fired off. It was fun. Most of the customs inside did have a nice little grab counter.
Yeah, it is. No, seriously, it smelled. And I remember it was dark. Georgia. But rain season, that mud is like red uniform.
I was just up at Charles Regional.
Oh yeah?
First time been up there. That was an awesome show, man.
Good. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah. I saw the range, too.
How do you even see it? Well, I hold it real close to my face, and I got a lot of lighting, and I can't even clean my glasses off. A little hard, but I have a lot of fun doing these little models. Yeah, the sand up on the boot. I use a mixture. I buy some of the Army Painter. I use some of the Citadel brush.
That's pretty good work for.
Yeah.
Them things were little.
I'd have broke the head off of it. Like just trying to pick it up. Speaking of those figures, I broke her legs off. Broke both ankles, both feet.
Oh. It comes with a or yeah, that's right. Master class.
Pretty good cutout. It's nice, but it's all LED. Yeah.